everybody, hope you're doing well. My name's Kenneth, and today we're going over what to know, feel for, and practice in order to do the best push-ups possible. Let's go get it.
So first off, push-ups are a type of compound movement pattern known as sagittal or horizontal pressing, and they primarily train the pectoralis major or the chest muscles, the triceps brachii or the back of the arm, and the anterior deltoid muscles, which are on the front of your shoulders. When doing push-ups, I like to begin by starting off in an all-fours position, which allows me to set my shoulders over my wrists. This is important because if your wrists are significantly above your shoulders, it usually forces your body to fall into a kyphotic position. As you fall and press from the ground in this position, your shoulder muscles and tendons become hyperextended, which over time, this will inevitably end up hurting your rotator cuff and create pain in your shoulders. It's critical that as soon as you begin to descend towards the ground, your first action is scapular depression and retraction, or shoulders down and back. This will protect your shoulders and help bring more focus to the chest, ultimately leading to more strength, more definition, hypertrophy, more power development, all the good stuff. Lastly, it's super important to go through full range of motion during each repetition. This means having your chest nearly touch the ground when you're at the bottom and having your elbows fully extend at the top, or next to locking out. As long as you retain good position of your wrists and shoulders, the width of your hand is mainly going to change which muscles are being worked more. The wider your hands go, the more work is placed on your chest and shoulder muscles. The closer your hands get, the more is placed on your triceps. These variations help strengthen your overall push-up ability, allowing you to later unlock more challenging and complex variations.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit that thumbs up button and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. How many push-ups have you done? What are your favorite kinds of push-ups? And if there's anything else that you'd like to learn more about, write it down as well. I might make a video on it. Bye everybody, stay conditioned, subscribe. Until next time.